This is Nick. Today we are going to show you how we pack your OPS PC. Because for international trade, it's very important how to pack the product to ensure a safe transportation. Also, in another point, it's extremely important that how you present your product to the customers. When the customer look at the product, look at how it packs, they should feel the product is nicely packed and being well taken good care of. So they feel that this is good quality and they have no issue with that. Here are two unique boxes for two different OPS sizes. This is for the Europe size OPS PC and this for the Asian size. So let us open it. The OPS PC is surrounded by a good thickness of foam, and the product itself is packed with a plastic bag and the silicone gel to remove the moistures. So this is a set of the packing that we designed especially for OPS PC. You can see that there also there's places for the antenna and for the screw. So when you give to the customers, it has a good image and a good presentation of your products. And here is a carton to pack 10 pieces OPS PC. So there are 10 unique boxes inside a cartons. So besides a unique box, there's a carton to protect the OPS PC as well. So this is how we pack your products, and this is the standard packing that we use to pack all the OPS PC to ensure a safe transportation and also a good presentation of the goods to your end customers.